Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by writing the function in form y equals a sin, bx plus c, plus d so you know what to draw. First, plot the midline y equals d. This is your reference. Next, measure up and down by it to mark maximum and minimum. Also compute the period as 2 pi divided by b and mark 1 period length along the x-axis. This tells you the spacing of peaks and zeros. Once done, you'll have the skeleton for the rest. Now place the quarter period points. Start at x for the phase-shifted 0 and mark points every period /4. For sine, values go 0, 1, 0, -1. For cosine, they start at 1 then 0, -1, 0 scale each by n add d. Connect the dots smoothly. Think of a rolling wave rather than straight lines. Make sure to extend the pattern left and right by repeating quarter segments so the graph looks continuous and consistent. To finish, smoothly join the plotted quarter points into a continuous sine or cosine curve, preserving symmetry about peaks and midline. Label the midline, amplitude, period length, and any phase shift so the graph reads clearly. If the wave looks shifted or compressed, re-evaluate B for period errors and C for phase shift mistakes. Small arithmetic slips here are common. Finally, test by plugging in one x value to verify the plotted y matches the function. This quick check catches most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.